In the warm and humid Wuyi Mountains, covered with evergreen broad-leaved forests, it inhabits an ancient species. Having survived the erosion of the Quaternary glaciation, it takes the most inconspicuous form and hides in the luxuriant mountain forest. Now, it is just a sapling. With a height of no more than 10 centimeters, it enjoys the damp shade provided by the mother tree. In the following 50 years, it will grow and become lignified, and eventually exceed 20 meters in height. 3 million years ago, its ancestors were about the same size. From late April to early May, the tree is in full bloom with pink flowers that look like hanging bells. It is called China Bretschneidera. The leaves of the tree are feathery and soft. Unlike most broad-leaved plants, the pores are found only on the back of the leaves. These hair-like little bumps help reduce water loss under the sunshine. Compared to other places on the same latitude, the Wuyi Mountains have the most complete, typical, and the largest central, subtropical, and primordial forest ecosystem. The China Bretschneidera has been growing here for generations. At an elevation between 500 and 2,000 meters, and near the damp valleys and slopes, the evergreen broad-leaved forest is like a huge parasol, shielding the growing sapling from the blistering sun. However, the forest also confines the growing tree. If it fails to surpass the height of its neighbors, it will have trouble making blossoms and fructifying, and therefore will face death eventually. In addition to the environmental threats, the reproductive defects of the species also drive it into a survival crisis. The flowers are hermaphroditic. Self-pollination and inbreeding can result in poor fructification quality. Furthermore, insects are also considered a threat to the ancient species. The foliage is rich in myrosinase, making it the best food for the small white during oviposition. The vulnerability and disadvantages make the once thriving China Bretschneidera in danger of extinction. Fortunately, in the Wuyi Mountain National Nature Reserve, there are several trees of this ancient species. They offer great scientific value to the study of paleogeography. Therefore, the China Bretschneidera is regarded as a national treasure. In the embrace of the Wuyi Mountains, this sapling is striving to grow. With its unchanging life form, it recalls nature's memories of its ancestors.